The purpose of this film series is to spotlight the positive aspects of the Jamaica we love so much. In most cases, we hear negative stories coming out of Jamaica, which has a direct impact on returning residents. This film series seeks to explore the natural ways people care and share on this beautiful island we call home. Thank you for watching and hope to see you in all the future episodes. Share with your friends, and when you do subscribe, hit the bell on YouTube so that you'll be notified for future episodes. Take care. Rhonda Party.
One knock.
Just put it anyway.
Talk about two knock and knock off that. This is what I go on at Johnny Black's birth strong. And I celebrate it. Everything what you say, my friend them come together and make it happen. With my sister, I told her we celebrate it one time. Jamaica Good Life. Big up.
Where's sister name? Some in that me tell him say fair little district. Everywhere, every house, you see people who are built up.
Pernal era, man. Pernal era set up.
Yes, a pernal era.
A
pernal
era? Yeah.
That mean you said the backside over take out the wall, take off the land there, the whole land.
Come on,
can they find some?
That land of mine out already, you know.
Okay.
Land of mine out already, man.
It's clear and dead.
Me, I got dead.
They go dead.
I don't remember who this.
Oh.
Mama. Leon, remember. So, up you know. Good life. What go on in here?
Where you say, Kino?
There, man.
Yeah, man. You don't just come in here, you know?
Hey, Auntie.
Yo.
What go on?
That's a thing. Jamaica Good Life. Plantain.
Jamaica Good Life, man.
Coconut.
What? So what go on?
Pumpkin.
Can some food and
breadfruit.
all kind of something, you know?
This is the breadfruit. Who don't know Jamaican breadfruit? This is the breadfruit.
Breadfruit.
See?
Yeah. Some pork in the fridge, yeah?
Pork in the fridge.
Yeah, man, and pork. Sour sap.
Citrus and all them.
It's named soursop. Who don't use soursop?
Soursop.
You know them way there?
Citrus and all
I don't
them.
go country named Clarendon, Moko.
Citrus and
One
all
bag
them.
full man.
Citrus and all them.
Yeah.
Just touchdown from country.
It's a Jamaica Good Life, master. Yes, man.
Blessings life.
Yeah, man.
One only for Sydney of man.
Yeah.
And when they see me in a Seaview,
Yeah, you're in a Seaview.
and we have what is cool. Cool for sale too.
Yeah, cold for sale.
Them place in a Seaview, yeah.
Yeah.
Introduce yourself to the world.
Well, this is Elaine.
Yeah.
I'm a Pepsi. Sing up, you know?
Shit. Pepsi. Got a Pepsi.
Yeah.
Ramo.
Yeah.
You know can call about just Ramo.
Yeah, man, Ramo.
Oh, you don't have flavor to like Kool-Aid and Quench-Aid. Like what she said, Pepsi.
Yeah, you know,
Rum and Pepsi.
Rum and Pepsi. The rum and Pepsi.
Yeah, man, nice flavor, you know?
True. That's the sun there.
Yeah, man.
We are mash up.
You know, sir, let's come in some curry chicken with a piece of fish, you know?
True,
You want some rice and pea, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's right, and the sun there.
Come in around and get something, you know?
True. Feel that. Which country I come from?
Moko, Clarendon, even.
Clarendon.
Yeah.
Moko.
Yeah.
Moko. Anyway, we never go there yet, you know.
Yeah, we don't like to visit the place, man.
Definitely.
Yeah, man.
When? Can you enter already in a room?
Yes, man. Anytime they come now, you can come, man.
Because they never come out for your land, right?
Yeah, man.
Plantain.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
And
man.
everything and soursop.
Here.
Yeah, man.
What on, man?
Repair it. No, auntie.
Let's hold the man.
Oh, you have the avocado and the eye. What go on? Oh, yeah, cool.
Yeah.
Say, how was the struggle?
At first, you know, things are kind of, you know, pressuring, but my life are going easy, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Everything alright
The
now.
pear.
I've
Hold
life are
on.
going
Avocado.
Hold on, you know, Kino.
Oh,
Yeah, man.
That
The
one.
ripe is still in on.
okay, I'll hold that one here. That one here for the good life.
Yeah, the
Yeah,
one
man.
that for the good life.
So the Jamaica Good Life.
Yeah, man.
Avocado.
Yeah.
Many thanks from Auntie.
Yeah.
Miss
cool,
Alien.
man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Let's see if you
Yeah, man.
If you
still there.
still there.
Phase 2.
Yeah.
Nitty gritty.
Yes, I am.
Yes, I am.
Yes, I am.
Rama feed off him face.
Yes, man.
Well, so Auntie, me hear one big rat in the kitchen because me keep on hear things are moving like, oh, Jacob. Come here, wonder who in the kitchen in a Jacob. Introduce yourself.
Yes, man. Jacob the driver, Roma Handy.
Yeah, Jacob the driver.
Otherwise known as Lion.
Lion.
Taxi driver, you know?
Alright.
Round town.
Round town.
Definitely. Yes.
I we are known on the Sunday.
Yes, we were trained.
Oh, blessings everything.
Yes, I am. Hail up, Jamaica Good Life.
Blessings.
Yeah.
Jamaica Good
Taxi
Life.
driver, number 10, otherwise known as Lion.
Huh.
Round town driver.
Give them the roar. Jacob a roar. The vibes man this, and we in Seaview.
Definitely.
You see me?
Yes, I am.
I go and hold it easy.
Yes.
Roma this, you know? And I general them with that vibes.
Yes, Keith.
Yeah, I don't want to meet.
That means the days after we can come back here. We can come back.
Yes, I.
Get ourselves on the video. On,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Jamaica Good Life.
Jamaica Good Life.
Yeah, on the Jamaica Good Life.
Sure.
Sure.
Come in here, when you come tell me how the meat go for people and when you come and cut up because I don't have the time tomorrow, me have to shut it down tomorrow.
Because you have to really do
You
it.
go home back and look on the animal there.
You have to do it for now. That's everything that you late.
I have some pepper in a bush if you take care of, you know. Bush will kill them.
Now tell me something, Jacob.
Yeah. try my best to make my own little
Awesome.
hustling, not my, no hustling, work. My work is a work, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a all purpose.
Season.
Yeah, it's a all purpose, man. Man who try to do everything.
Yes.
Mechanic work, taxi work, anything I want to take, man, we did it. Yeah.
You in the farming too?
Well, me going to take my time now and say we can stretch this a little further.
Yeah.
The farming thing.
Oh.
Yes, like, you know, raise some chicken and pigs
Oh.
and goat. Definitely. Yeah.
Hey, you make people laugh when it's so there.
Yeah, myself nicely as an old boy, you know?
Yeah, you know all. You got act like your own.
Well, I love when man I said, don't say that, boy.
You have to see the day. You have to see the day when we stop working for people and work for myself.
Yeah.
I am so comfortable working for myself.
And that's so.
No! If I want a goat, me kill him. Me kill him, me feed my family. You understand? Anything more.
Definitely I come visit Moko.
Yeah, man.
I show me what I go on.
Man, Leon, come down the man and Leon say love the place. And one of my virgin them come they love the place, man.
Jamaica Good Life. Every time.
Every time.
Yeah.
Yo, 4 or 5.
Yo, brother.
Oh, I go on.
Yeah, I know. Live in person.
Live.
Yeah, man.
Represent.
Yeah, man. Come and tell us, brother.
Introduce yourself to the world, my general.
Well, don't know. So it's a great father 5. Don't know. I have a lot of names.
Yeah.
But I have to work with the name of the people I work with. Father 5. I know the ball of the community this.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Sure.
My like enterprise.
Same way.
You know what I mean? You know, Christmas comes, so you know, the thing about look more, even more
Up.
up.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it's like, I tell you, in a real life, I realized that, yo, I was tuning in, and I see this thing pop up on my thing, on my TV, or whatever you want to say, right, on my phone or whatever, because I remember a little bridging where you don't know a ball at all,
Yeah.
so you don't know, we have a link like that together. So, I don't really know Wi-Fi in my yard, I can tell you the truth.
Yeah.
I got a spot and I just feel something goes so ping ping and ping up on my phone and I look and say Jamaica Good Life. And I say Jamaica Good Life. And I say Jamaica Good Life. And I say the right choice and I'm afraid I deal it. So I say I have to call him because we have a lot of good things and a lot of great things happening in Seaview Garden.
True.
Where some people even see.
Yeah, true.
But we have to go highlight some people and know who are going to see Seaview Garden.
Yeah.
You know, say be hard working people there.
Yeah, can you call me and tell me, say, boy, yeah, watch the thing.
Yes, don't call me enough to see yo, me see the program, man.
Yeah.
I love the program. And I say, I have to call you.
You want to show more?
I want to show you what I want in my little facility.
Yeah, true.
You get me? I say, we have some great people over here, man.
Same way.
We have all crippled people over here, man. We have all blind, where it's like, them blind, but it's like them can't see.
Yeah.
We have all man crippled, man. He hears. And he come like, him a walk.
Yeah.
Walk. He make himself active.
True.
He's like, yo, I'm going to introduce to a man. You see that man there? You know, a surprise.
Yeah.
That man is like the genius to the community. Any school project, you know them have. No care big it, no matter what you do, no matter what you do. Just try and show him it. Present it to him, and they get it done for you. I be a A, them man get B nor C nor D. A, anything in them hand pan, a goal.
Yeah.
And a short while, I get introduced to that person there.
Yeah, show me what I'm
I'll show you what I go on in a theme, run a theme. So we are doing. So you know what's about we there now? With a Falcon in Seaview Garden.
Falcon
in Seaview Garden. Yeah, I'm one of the great one them. In the community. You get me? See that? No joke.
Footballer.
We don't start it alone. This is my first cup for the community. 2010.
Which team that?
Seaview Garden.
Seaview Garden.
Yeah. And I'm gonna show you again. My other next one is 2015 champion again. Seaview Garden. You get that? So it's not artists alone come from here. A lot of crazy good baller come from here.
Yeah.
Donald Stewart come from here.
Yeah.
Gregory Mason come from here.
Yeah.
You get that? And a lot of more good ballers
Come from here.
come from here.
Definitely.
You get that? And in Seaview Garden, lone workers. Much of the people them working class. Don't take it for joke.
So they need to come and visit.
Yeah, they need to come here and visit. Don't take Seaview like Seaview is a dunglar, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's a vile place.
Very beautiful.
Everywhere have their time. You get that? But when Seaview is Seaview, all good.
No, really
everybody
nice.
come here. Everybody. Worldwide.
No,
This
really
is here. My friend that too.
Yeah, with Dexter Daps.
Extra Daps. The big arts will run Jamaica and run worldwide now.
It's your friend. And
My
soon,
friend.
soon I'm gonna get to meet him
And
too.
you soon meet Dexter Daps, you go up on the
Yeah.
corner too. Because
Yeah.
as we say, the thing is though is not stagnant.
Yeah,
The thing is a mobile thing.
sure.
So we go there, and there
Yeah.
to show the goodness in the ghetto them. And if you tell the Seaview is no ghetto, I be a big house. And high class people live here.
Yeah. Yeah.
People have them ride bikes. I still live in Seaview Garden. We're
Yeah.
independent here. No joke. If you come here and visit Seaview Garden, you love here, you never want to leave.
So we're gonna show what go on.
So right now, as I tell you, we're not stagnant, we're mobile. So we're gonna move now, like a mobile vehicle.
Yeah.
People look nice, boy.
Yeah. There you go, our flashing shop.
Body on it, you know?
Liquor shop.
Yeah.
Hustling and go and see him and see you.
Yeah, you know, you have to do the great one, you know?
Then I see you, stay away.
Yeah, man, I thought I was the same, man. I like the great.
Then I see you, see away.
Alright.
Alright.
Falcon, what the same, man? Falcon, nice, you know?
Yeah.
Falcon, you want left from Falcon. What you do? Be graphic.
In Seaview.
See you, man. No way. What now? Don't throw everybody on the runway. Go up there.
Good life.
Yeah, man, good life, man, you know what I mean? Real life.
Real life.
Yeah, I'm going this, you know. But the gun can look at you now.
Yeah.
Because you don't know when I play ball. Somebody not coming from work yet.
Yeah.
You get me, I say?
Yeah.
Somebody gonna talk about real life and real good life.
So it's a to
In
be
a Seaview
continued.
Garden. To be continued, man, you know that, man.
Yeah.
You get me? Say, anytime you put back on the ground, you know, a different type of formula.
Yeah,
Some
cooking.
food I cook,
Everything.
some oil I beat, and some
Yeah.
smoke, you know?
Yeah,
We not
vibes.
talk- yeah, all the vibes. And show no what I want. We have some element interview some blind people where
Yeah.
it's like them blind, but them coming like them a see.
True.
You get me? Him do everything for himself. It's a blind, you know, depend on nobody at all. Nothing, he no depend on video. Him paint him house. See the gate, them gates clean like whistle every morning, go to him clean up in place.
So him down there now?
No, I'm not there now. I'm going to church.
You're going to church.
Yeah. The man is a one-day Christian man, you know. So the man living there, you get me? But
Yeah.
what? Real elder.
True.
I'm going to talk to you, I'm going to see the real life.
Yeah.
And the good life.
The good life.
So I want Jamaica. See them out there, see them up on the corner though.
And we in Seaview. Tell them where we are.
We're in Seaview Garden.
Yeah. We're in Seaview Garden.
We're at Falcon.
Yo.
You get that?
Yeah.
Yeah. I end up on 4-5 block.
Yeah, yeah.
You get me? My little shot this and thing I don't know.
Yeah.
Want to freestyle some little beer and thing, you know what I mean? But
Yeah.
at the right time, yet still for them come in the real way.
Yeah, yeah.
Show them the 100. It's a little sneak preview of what will go on.
Yeah.
You get me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you're new to the channel, you have to click on Season 1 playlist. It's a must. Then, after you're done with that, it says 172 videos here. So in Season 2, we really have 172 videos. Find the playlist. Now, what you should do is talk to your family members and say, hey, show me how to get to the playlist. And you click on this same white icon, and then what you do is just click on the playlist. So if I wanted to play Patrick stuff, I would enter here. Always come down and hit the playlist to select the episode you want.